Hey Class 10, this is Trevor again. Just coming back to you a couple days later than my last video that I posted. We were working on loading some dishes. So as you can see, my dishwasher is getting really full. So I'm going to show you guys how I start the dishwasher. Now, you will have to ask a parent's permission to help you with the soap and whatnot. So I will show you that when it comes time. But for now, I'm gonna take some of these and put them in the dishwasher after I rinse them off, of course. So silverware again. Where do we think it should go? Should it go in here, where it'll just fall out? Or should it go in one of these cups? If you selected the hole where all the other silverware is, that's a good place to put those. Got a couple spoons. Spoons can go in there. Got a bowl. Bowl's gonna go down here, face down, since my top rack here is pretty full and I don't see any space for it up there. I got a fork here. I could rinse and put in here. And you see how I turn off the water again, so we're not wasting water. And as you can see, I am out of space. So everything else, I'm probably just either going to hand wash, wash off my hands real quick. So underneath my, we're gonna close the bottom drawer. So let's grab so with a parent's permission, they might have to help you with this, so ask your parents first. You can grab some dish soap or a little pod. So where do these go? It says Cascade Detergent, so that it will just go right in there. Your parents may have already put in this rinse aid. I use it to help clean the dishes a little bit more, so we're gonna close it. As you can see, there's a lot of different settings. So right now, I'm gonna leave it on normal. We're gonna have steam, it's gonna sanitize, it's gonna heat dry, so then it's easier to put them away. And then we just have to push the start. Oh. And when the light comes on, it means it has started. And if you're listening really closely, you could possibly hear the dishwasher running. So that is how to run a dishwasher.